This is the Spicy 100, question 12.
The recommended time for question 12 is 3 minutes. So this is a quick one, and if you can work it out, it's quick, and if not, it's a bit of a headache. I must say I had a bit of a headache reading this, but here we go. A teacher says to their student, "I am 5 times as old as you were when I was the same age as you are now. The teacher is currently 45 years old. How old is the student?" Going to be quick with this one. Set a timer. Pause the video. Best of luck with question 12. So the teacher says, "I'm 5 times as old as you were when I was the same age as you are now." So therefore, because the teacher is 45 years old, the student was 45 divided by 5, which is 9. So the idea is that when the student was 9, the teacher was as old as the student is now. So the student needs to age from 9 years old to an age, and the teacher needs to go from that age to 45 where it is now. Now the beautiful thing about time is that it moves at the same rate. So the student gets a year older, the teacher gets a year older. So we can actually be very sneaky here, and because they both need to move at the same rate, we can actually take the midpoint of these two ages, because 45 plus 9 divided by 2, that's the midpoint, a bit like the average. So you get 54 divided by 2, which is 27. The student has had 18 years to age from 9 to 27. And then the teacher would have had 18 years to age from 27 to 45. And you check 27 plus 18 is 45. So we can also do an algebraic method. So if we said the student is currently X years old, then the student will have aged X subtract 9, because they've aged from 9 to X, in the same time as the teacher has aged from X to 45, so that would be the same as 45 subtract X. Now if we then rearrange that, so we add the X over, we get 2X, add the 9 over, we get 54, and so we get X equals 27. So, two different ways of looking at it, but the student is currently 27 years old, or young. So, I hope you enjoyed question 12. So we're motoring along now. If you're feeling fresh, why don't you move on to lucky number 13.